In the pursuit of harmonizing modern living with the tranquility of nature, architects and designers are increasingly turning to the concept of a modern minimalist-style house that mimics the refreshing ambience of a forest. This innovative approach not only reflects a commitment to sustainability, but also seeks to create a living space that seamlessly integrates with the natural environment. At the heart of the modern minimalist style is the belief in the power of simplicity and functionality. These homes are characterized by clean lines, open spaces, and a focus on essential elements. In the context of a forest-inspired design, this translates into a structure that mirrors the simplicity of nature, allowing the surrounding landscape to take center stage. One of the key features of these houses is the incorporation of large, strategically placed windows that invite the outdoors in. These expansive windows not only flood the interiors with natural light but also provide breathtaking views of the surrounding greenery, recreating the feeling of living within a forest. The seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces enhances the connection between the inhabitants and the natural world. To further enhance the forest-like atmosphere, architects often opt for eco-friendly materials that not only contribute to the aesthetics but also promote sustainability. Natural materials like wood and stone are commonly used to evoke a sense of warmth and earthiness, creating a space that feels grounded and in harmony with the environment. Ventilation plays a crucial role in recreating the forest's fresh air ambience within these modern minimalist homes. The design often incorporates innovative ventilation systems, allowing the free flow of air throughout the house. This not only ensures a constant influx of fresh air, but also promotes a healthier indoor environment. The landscaping around these houses is carefully planned to complement the forest theme. Native plants, trees, and shrubs are chosen to blend seamlessly with the surroundings, creating a verdant oasis that extends the natural beauty of the forest into the home's immediate surroundings. This intentional landscaping not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also fosters a sense of tranquility. In addition to the visual and sensory aspects, the modern minimalist-style house inspired by the forest prioritizes sustainability in its energy consumption. Green technologies, such as solar panels and energy-efficient appliances, are integrated into the design to minimize the environmental impact and reduce the carbon footprint of the house. The layout of these homes is designed to promote a sense of openness and fluidity, reminiscent of the unrestricted space found in the forest. Large, communal areas serve as central hubs for socializing, while private spaces are designed to provide a retreat for residents seeking moments of solitude within the natural surroundings. Another characteristic of these homes is the intentional use of neutral color palettes. Earthy tones and muted hues are chosen to complement the natural landscape, creating a cohesive and calming atmosphere. The colors not only reflect the simplicity of the minimalist style, but also contribute to the overall sense of serenity inspired by the forest. The incorporation of outdoor living spaces is a distinctive feature of modern minimalist-style houses designed to mimic the forest ambience. Patios, decks, and even rooftop gardens offer residents the opportunity to immerse themselves in the natural surroundings, further blurring the boundaries between indoor and outdoor living. Smart home technology is seamlessly integrated into the design, providing residents with the convenience of modern living while maintaining the minimalist aesthetic. Automated systems for lighting, climate control, and security enhance the functionality of the house, allowing inhabitants to focus on enjoying the natural beauty surrounding them. One of the key principles guiding the design of these houses is the concept of mindfulness. Spaces are intentionally decluttered, and each element is carefully selected to serve a specific purpose. This not only contributes to the minimalist aesthetic but also fosters a sense of mindfulness and connection with the environment. The furniture and decor chosen for these homes reflect a commitment to simplicity and functionality. Clean lines, uncluttered spaces, and a preference for natural materials characterize the interior design, creating a living space that feels both modern and timeless. To enhance the sense of unity with the forest, architects often incorporate elements inspired by traditional Japanese design principles, such as shoji screens, tatami mats, and sliding doors. These elements add a touch of elegance and cultural richness to the modern minimalist style, creating a unique and harmonious living experience. The exterior of these houses is designed to be unobtrusive, blending seamlessly with the natural surroundings. Flat roofs, geometric shapes, and minimalist landscaping contribute to a facade that is both contemporary and in harmony with the forest-inspired theme. The use of reflective surfaces, such as glass and polished metal, further enhances the connection between the house and its natural surroundings. Mirrored panels strategically placed throughout the interior create the illusion of bringing the forest inside, blurring the boundaries between the built environment and nature. The modern minimalist-style house designed to breathe fresh air like in the forest represents a harmonious blend of contemporary living and the serenity of nature. By prioritizing simplicity, functionality, and sustainability, these homes offer residents a unique and immersive experience, allowing them to live in harmony with the natural world while enjoying the comforts of modern life. Title: Embracing Nature. The advantages of modern minimalist-style houses designed to breathe fresh air like in the forest. In recent years, a growing trend in architectural design has emerged, focusing on creating homes that seamlessly blend with nature while embracing the principles of modern minimalism. These houses are carefully crafted to mimic the invigorating atmosphere found in forests, promoting a sense of tranquility and well-being. This innovative approach to design offers numerous advantages that extend beyond aesthetic appeal, emphasizing the importance of harmony between the built environment and the natural world. One of the key advantages of modern minimalist-style houses designed to breathe fresh air like in the forest is the promotion of health and well-being. These homes prioritize open spaces, large windows, and strategic ventilation systems that facilitate the flow of clean, fresh air. This not only improves indoor air quality, but also enhances the overall respiratory health of the occupants, fostering a healthier and more comfortable living environment. Furthermore, these houses often feature expansive windows that invite ample natural light, reducing the reliance on artificial lighting. This not only contributes to energy efficiency but also creates a connection with the outdoors, allowing residents to enjoy the beauty of changing seasons and the play of sunlight throughout the day. The infusion of natural light has been linked to improved mood, increased productivity, and better sleep patterns, making it a crucial element in promoting mental and emotional well-being. In addition to the health benefits, modern minimalist-style houses designed with a focus on fresh air mimic the symbiotic relationship found in forest ecosystems. The careful integration of green spaces, such as indoor plants or surrounding gardens, further enhances the connection to nature. These elements not only contribute to the aesthetic appeal of the home but also act as natural air purifiers, removing toxins and pollutants and fostering a sense of harmony with the environment. Beyond the physical and mental health advantages, the design principles of modern minimalist-style houses inspired by forest environments offer practical benefits. The emphasis on functionality and simplicity in these designs often results in more efficient use of space, reducing unnecessary clutter and promoting a sense of order and serenity. This not only makes daily life more comfortable, but also aligns with the broader sustainability movement by encouraging a mindful approach to consumption and waste reduction. The integration of sustainable materials and energy-efficient technologies is another notable advantage of these forest-inspired minimalist homes. From solar panels to eco-friendly building materials, these houses aim to minimize their environmental impact, reflecting a commitment to responsible living. As the world increasingly grapples with environmental challenges, these homes serve as examples of how architecture can contribute to a more sustainable future. Furthermore, the aesthetic appeal of modern minimalist-style houses, designed to emulate the tranquility of forests, cannot be overlooked. The clean lines, neutral color palettes, and uncluttered spaces create a timeless and sophisticated atmosphere. This aesthetic versatility allows residents to personalize their living spaces easily, fostering a sense of ownership and connection to their home. Beyond the individual benefits, these homes contribute to the broader community and urban landscape. By prioritizing green spaces and embracing natural elements, they set a precedent for environmentally conscious design that can inspire future architectural projects. The integration of such homes into urban planning can lead to the development of healthier and more sustainable neighborhoods, promoting a holistic approach to community well-being. In conclusion, the advantages of modern minimalist-style houses designed to breathe fresh air like in the forest extend far beyond their visual appeal. From promoting physical and mental health to embracing sustainable practices, these homes represent a harmonious blend of modern living and the tranquility found in nature. As the demand for sustainable and health-focused living spaces continues to rise, these forest-inspired minimalist homes stand as beacons of a more mindful and balanced approach to architecture and urban development. In an era marked by the relentless pace of modern living, people are increasingly seeking refuge in the simplicity and serenity offered by modern minimalist-style houses designed to emulate the invigorating ambience of a forest. This architectural trend, characterized by clean lines, open spaces, and a harmonious blend of nature and design, has captured the hearts and minds of individuals yearning for a retreat that not only reflects contemporary aesthetics, but also allows them to reconnect with the soothing embrace of nature. One of the primary reasons people are drawn to modern minimalist-style houses is the emphasis on functionality without compromising on aesthetics. These homes are meticulously designed to optimize space and create an atmosphere of uncluttered tranquility. The simplicity of the design allows for a seamless integration of indoor and outdoor spaces, fostering a sense of openness and freedom that resonates with the peace one finds in a forest setting. Moreover, the incorporation of large windows and glass walls in modern minimalist-style houses promotes a constant connection with the natural environment, echoing the experience of living amidst the trees. The strategic placement of these openings facilitates the inflow of fresh air, creating a breathable and healthy living environment reminiscent of the crisp, invigorating air found in a forest. This commitment to natural ventilation not only enhances the quality of life, but also underscores a deep appreciation for sustainability and eco-friendly living. Beyond the aesthetic appeal, the desire for a calm and rejuvenating living space is a driving force behind the popularity of modern minimalist-style houses. The deliberate choice of a subdued color palette, often inspired by the earthy tones of a forest, contributes to a sense of harmony and balance within the living space. This intentional design approach encourages inhabitants to declutter their lives, both physically and mentally, fostering a mindful and peaceful existence. In a world increasingly dominated by technology and urbanization, the need for a retreat that offers respite from the digital noise and concrete jungles is more pronounced than ever. Modern minimalist-style houses, designed to breathe fresh air like in the forest, serve as a sanctuary for individuals seeking refuge from the demands of modern life. The intentional creation of spaces that evoke the tranquility of a forest encourages residents to embrace a slower pace of life, promoting mindfulness and a deeper connection with the natural world. Additionally, the prevalence of remote work and the desire for a home that serves as a multifunctional space have further fueled the interest in modern minimalist-style houses. These homes are designed with versatility in mind, providing residents with the flexibility to adapt their living spaces to various needs, be it work, relaxation, or entertainment. The seamless integration of technology into the minimalist design ensures that the modern conveniences of life are not sacrificed for the sake of simplicity. Furthermore, the ecological consciousness of contemporary homeowners plays a pivotal role in the growing popularity of modern minimalist-style houses. The emphasis on sustainable materials, energy-efficient design, and a reduced environmental footprint aligns with the values of those who seek to minimize their impact on the planet. The incorporation of green building practices into the construction of these homes reflects a commitment to responsible living, where the beauty of the design is complemented by a dedication to environmental stewardship. For many, the decision to embrace the modern minimalist style goes beyond aesthetics and environmental considerations. It represents a lifestyle choice that prioritizes experiences over possessions. The intentional paring down of belongings and the focus on essential elements foster a sense of mindfulness and appreciation for the things that truly matter. This shift towards a more mindful approach to living is a powerful motivator for individuals looking to immerse themselves in the tranquility and simplicity reminiscent of a forest dwelling. As cities become increasingly crowded and the pace of life becomes more frenetic, the appeal of modern minimalist-style houses as an antidote to the chaos cannot be overstated. The intentional design choices that prioritize clean lines, uncluttered spaces, and a connection with nature create an environment that encourages residents to find solace in the midst of the modern hustle. The minimalist philosophy extends beyond the physical space, influencing a mindset that values quality over quantity and experiences over possessions. The surge in interest in modern minimalist-style houses, designed to breathe fresh air like in the forest, can be attributed to a convergence of factors. From the aesthetic appeal of clean lines and open spaces to the practical benefits of natural ventilation and sustainability, these homes embody a holistic approach to contemporary living. As people seek refuge from the complexities of modern life, the allure of a home that encapsulates the simplicity and tranquility of a forest retreat becomes increasingly irresistible. In the embrace of modern minimalist style, individuals find not only a place to live but a sanctuary for the soul, a harmonious blend of modernity and nature, where the air is as fresh as in the heart of the woods.